In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Perplexity AI in Incognito mode for private and safe AI browsing. This helpful trick will ensure you can explore AI-generated content without leaving a trace on your browser. Whether you're a privacy enthusiast or just want to try something new, this method will keep your browsing sessions confidential. Let's dive right in. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Google's homepage. This is your starting point for accessing Perplexity AI. In the search bar, type the word Perplexity. You should see a list of results pop up, and among them, you'll find the official Perplexity website. Click on that link, and it will take you right to their main page. Now, once you're on the Perplexity website, direct your attention to the bottom left corner. You'll notice a profile icon there. Go ahead and click on it. This icon is your gateway to accessing various settings, including the Incognito option. Once you've clicked on the profile icon, you should see an option labeled Incognito. Click on it to enter Incognito mode. What Incognito mode does is ensure that any prompts you create or responses generated aren't saved to your account. It's a great way to keep your activities discreet and unrecorded, adding a layer of privacy to your online interactions. Now that you're in Incognito mode, you can start creating prompts. For instance, you might want to know, give me 10 weird but interesting facts about everyday things. Type that into the text box, then proceed to click the Submit button. Remember, the Incognito mode will not save these queries, so make sure to jot down any response you find interesting if you want to keep it. After submitting your prompt, take a brief moment to wait. The AI will work its magic and generate responses based on your query. Once the responses are ready, have a look at what the AI has come up with. Since you're in Incognito mode, these sessions won't be saved automatically. If you want to verify that no threads have been stored, revisit the Threads section on your profile. You'll notice there are no saved threads showing, affirming that Incognito mode truly does keep your browsing private. And there you have it. You've successfully used Perplexity AI in Incognito mode, preserving your privacy from start to finish. Remember, this trick is fantastic for maintaining discretion whenever curiosity strikes, and it's a simple yet effective method to explore AI in a safe environment. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide useful. Happy browsing!